Okay, so we are at Whitefish State Park. We got in late last night. We had another one of those late nights where we couldn't find where we were going, and we were just driving all around. We drove like an hour and a half around deep woods, yeah, trying to find this free camping spot. We ended up at the state park, and you can't hear. There's a freaking train that runs right through our. It's going through our house. Look at this. All night. Lesson learned here: finding free camping in spots that we don't know about should be left to daylight time. But we're learning. We're learning. Oh wait, reverse that. We paid $30 last night because we didn't have the exact change. So we woke up this morning and they gave us change. Huh.
Most places don't do that.
Most places don't do that, so that was nice. We'll take that. That's a win.
We just put a tarp up on top of the van. It's covering the air conditioning unit so that we won't get flooded with water again.
We're making dinner inside. We got our first shower in
5 days.
5 days.
Feels great.
Feels real great. Had a bird in there, 2 birds, one in the women's, one in the men's. Come on this way. Oh man. Got a bird in the women's bathroom. Going nuts. Oh, you wanted to get in the birdhouses. There's a place full of birdhouses. Just crapping everywhere. Ow, no. Oh, no. Oh boy. It's going back to the shower now. No, it's taking a shower. Oh boy. Where are you? Get out. Your shower time's over, bird. Get out. Oh, I hit him with the shoe. Now we're making dinner.
Ryan was able to catch the bird in the men's so that I could shower in the men's room.
Veggies and potatoes and chicken. Then we might watch a movie later. Alright, okay, good.
Good morning.
Good morning.
The huge bunny.
Left Whitefish, I don't know, a couple hours ago, heading towards Spokane. So we're in between, I don't know, we're almost to Idaho, so we got to cross through Idaho and then into Washington. And this has been a beautiful drive so far.